Hi, Populist. Steve here with this month's Culture Corner. So excited that we're heading into Michigan and Ohio's fantastic spring season. Now we all can feel it, which means it's time for our company-wide employee survey. We have so much to look forward to this year, and we couldn't do it without you, our valued professional quality partner. We understand that our success is your success, and likewise our opportunities to learn derive from how you're doing out there. Populist Cleaning wants to hear from you in this brief 1-minute survey. The survey consists of 4 questions and an area where you can provide additional comments. We want to hear your honest feedback, regardless of the role you play here at Populist. Your voice is as important as the next, and this is your opportunity to let us know how we're doing. Please note that if you have a specific question related to your building or your pay, your benefits, or any other specific matter, I encourage you to contact your manager directly and refrain from including it in this survey. We can and will assist you in a more direct manner than this survey is intended to do. The spring survey is intended to gauge how well the company aligns with our vision of making your life better through quality partnering. The survey will begin on Sunday, April 20th, and will remain open until Saturday, April 26th. The survey is open to all Populist employees who have started on or before January 19th, 2025. Only one submission allowed per employee, and again, I encourage you to take a minute to complete this survey. We're looking for your honest feedback again, and are truly excited to hear from each one of you. All right, y'all. As always, thank you so much for your hard work and your commitment. And I hope we all have a great rest of our month. All right, y'all. Let's get it. Woo!